This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3717 is a Class A RV. It is located in San Marcos, California, 92069 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV San Marcos. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3717 is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.